So this passage states, much research has been devoted to investigating what motivates consumers to try new products. So we're talking about some research. Previous research suggests that both the price of the product and the way it is advertised affects consumers' perceptions, okay, of the product's performance risk. Some of this research has concluded that a relatively high price will reduce consumers' perception, while other studies have reported that price has little or no effect on perceived performance risks. So it's comparing different studies here, okay, in terms of whether price plays a role in terms of the consumer's perception or not. These conflicting findings may simply be due to the nature of product advertisements. A recent study indicates that the presentation of an advertised message has a marked effect on the relationship between price and perceived performance. Here it tries to, tell me reason why the conflict in the findings is there. Researchers have identified consumers' perception of the credibility of the source of an advertised message, the manufacturer of the product, as another factor affecting perceived performance risk. Now, if you see here, however, past research suggests that the relationship between source credibility and perceived performance risk may be more complex. Okay, source credibility may interact with price in a certain way to affect consumers' judgment. So it negates this finding. Okay, not negates, it simply tells me that this might not be the way it plays out. Let's see the questions. According to the passage, the study is referred to in line 12. Line 12 means this. Reported which of the following about the effect of price on consumers' perception. Now it simply says that price is not the factor which affects customers' perception. So in such cases, the exact answer will be nothing but restating that same thing, which is C. Price does not significantly affect consumers' perception. Okay, so find it an option which simply replicates what is written there. That's your option. You don't have to look at anything else. The past research. So we're talking about this past research. Suggest which of the following about perceived performance risk. It says that the relationship between source credibility and perceived performance is more complex. Credibility may interact with price. So it's talking about interplay between them. So let's see all the options one by one. The more expensive a new product is, the more likely consumers may be. It doesn't say anything like that straightforward. The more familiar consumers are with a particular manufacturer, again, doesn't say anything like that. Consumers' perception of performance risk associated with a new product being advertised may be influenced by an interplay between the price and manufacturer's credibility. That's what it says actually. Okay. Other options, consumers may be more likely to believe that product will function as it is. Doesn't say anything like that. Price of a particular advertised product may have less impact. It doesn't say whether it has more impact or less impact. It says it's more complex. Passage is primarily concerned with challenging the implication of previous research. It doesn't challenge, it merely kind of compares what is given in each study. Suggesting new marketing strategies doesn't suggest any strategy. Reconciling two different views about effect. These are not two different views, these are different studies. Okay, these are not different views. Describing a new approach to researching why consumers try. It doesn't say any new approach to conduct research, no. Discussing certain findings regarding why consumers try new products, yes. Okay, certain findings means certain studies and their findings. That's what it discusses. Which of the following, if true, would most tend to weaken the conclusions drawn from some of this research? Line 8, let's see. So line 8 says, some of this research has concluded that a relatively high price will reduce a consumer's perception of the performance risk. Okay, so it says high price gives lesser risk. So we need to weaken it. So weaken means low price can also give me same kind of risk performance. So in a subsequent study, consumers who were asked to evaluate new products with relatively low prices had the same perception of the product's performance risk. So that's what it says. When a low price will give me same risk. B, in a subsequent study, the quality of advertising of the products that consumers perceived. We are not talking about the quality of the advertising. No. In a subsequent study, the products that consumers perceived as having a lower performance risk were priced higher. No. I mean, we're not talking whether we price them after we get that their perceived risk. No. None of the consumers involved in the research had ever before bought products from the manufacturers. Useless. Researchers found that higher the source credibility for the product, the more consumers are willing to pay for it. Again, it doesn't say anything like that. It doesn't talk about credibility, source credibility. It's out of scope.